Abiogenesis, the doctrine that living things originated from non-living matters, acquired character, and alteration in function and form resulting from a response to environment and is not heritable. Additivity, the basic most quantitative inheritance theory and for most breeding efforts. Affinity, the similarity between entities in regards to orthological traits. Albino, an individual characterized by the absence of pigments. Allele, an array of genes possible to certain positions on a given chromosomes. Alloploidy, a ploidy in which sets of chromosomes are derived from different parents, generally not closely related. Ancestry refers to those members of past generation which are related to any given species and descent. Aneuploidy, a variation on chromosomes involving gametes similar artificial selection, the result of conscious breeding of plant by man for the goal of improving forest crops. Asexual reproduction, any process of reproduction that does not involve fusion of cell. Backrose breeding, a system of breeding whereby recurrent backroses are made to one of the parents of hybrid accompanied by selection of specific character. Binary fission, a type of reproduction wherein single-celled organism divided into two theoretically equal parts. Biogenesis, the doctrine that living things originated only from pre-existing living things. Bisexual part, a plant having both male and female sexual reproductive structure on one individual. Breeding arboretum refers to all selected trees or species established for breeding purposes. Character, an attribute of an organism resulting from the interaction of genes with the environment. Emasculation, the removal of immature male structure to prevent self-pollination or unwanted cross-pollination. Epistapis, the masking of phenotype effect of either or both members of one pair of alleles by gene of different pair. Eugenic, the process of tending to improve genetic qualities of future generation. Evolution, the development of a race, species, genus, or other large groups of plants and animals. Expressivity, the degree of manifestation of a genetic character. Family selection, the manner of choosing parents on the basis of average family performance in a progeny test. Fitness, the ability of a genotype to survive and produce viable and fertile offspring. Gene, the smallest transmissible unit of genetic materials consistently associated with a single primary effect. Gynecology, the study of genetical composition of plant population in relation to their habitats. General combining ability, the ability of a parents to give superior progeny and combination with several different males. Pedigree, the appearance or discernible character of an individual which is dependent on its genetic makeup, usually expressed in words. Phylogeny, the evolutionary development of a species or taxonomic group. Polygen refers to two or more different pairs of alleles presumed to have cumulative effect that govern quantitative traits as size, pigmentation, intelligence, among other. Polyploid, an individual having two or more complete sets of chromosomes. Polygeny, an offspring of particular mating or particular mate in the case of apamatic reproduction. Progeny test, a thorough evaluation of parents by assessing the performance of their offspring. Provenance, an original source of seeds, pollens, or propagules. Ramete, an individual member of clone. Recessive gene, a member of a pair of gene that fails to express itself in the presence of its dominant allele. Recombination, an association arising from independent assortment of unlike gene, from crossing over between linked gene, or from anthracistronic crossing over. Replication, the mechanism by which exact copies of the genetic materials are formed. Roguing, the systematic removal of an individual not desired for the perpetuation of a population. 6. Chromosomes, a heteromorphic that does not occur in identical pair in both sexes and diploid organism. Siblings, an individual with the same materials and parental parent. Test cross, the cross in an individual with one having the recessive phenotype. Totipotency, the property of a cell whereby it develops into a complete and different organism. Transcription, a synthesis of messenger RNA from DNA template. Transformation, the genetic recombination, particularly in bacteria, whereby naked DNA from one another become incorporated into that of another. Translation, the process by which particular messenger RNA nucleotide sequence is responsible for a specific amino acid residue sequence for a polypeptide chain. Zygote, the protoplasm resulting from a fusion of two gametes in sexual reproduction. Inbreeding, the production of homozygous by mating-related organism, usually solving incompatibility, a failure or partial failure in some process related to fertilization. Introgression, the natural spread of genes from one species or population to another through hybridization and successive backcrossing of the hybrid. Isolation, a condition that prevents or limits breeding among population. Phonological difference in flowering time, chromosome difference and distance. Karyokinesis, the division of nucleus during the cell division. Narrow sense heritability, the fraction of total variation attributable to the additive effect of gene ontogeny, the complete development of the individual from zygote, spore, and so on to adult form. Open pollination, the natural pollination affected by wind or insects and not directly influenced by man. Character displacement, the process of the genetic divergence of two or more species when they come into contact. Chromatid pertains to one or two identical longitudinal halves of a chromosomes which shares the common centromere. Lethal gene, a gene whose genotypic effect is sufficient drastic to kill the bearer. Life cycle, the entire series of developmental stages undergone by an individual from zygote to maturity and death. Locus, the position or place on a chromosomes occupied by a particular gene of one of its alleles. Monohybrid, the offspring of two homozygous parents differ on only one gene locus. Mutation, the sudden change of genotype having no relation to the individual ancestry.